Good morning, IB people. I'm going to put some headphones in and a microphone so you can hear me better. Hopefully that sounds better now. Um, so, yeah, good job on that Desmos activity yesterday. I looked through some of your responses. You got that. Um, Definitely another example of logistic growth. And yeah, so you did a nice job on that. Hannah, I was looking at your graph on, I think it was the last slide, and something wasn't right about the model that you typed in. I think it was just a typo, maybe, because your explanation kind of made sense. So I'm not too stressed out about that. I'm going to go ahead and put points in PowerSchool for you for doing that. If PowerSchool is up, when I tried to do it yesterday, PowerSchool wasn't working. So um, if it's back and fixed, then I'll do that maybe this afternoon. I'm putting another Desmos activity about another modeling activity. This one's going to probably take you a little bit longer, so I'm going to probably give you 2 days to do this, and then um, I'll check in with a video tomorrow, and maybe we can even do a video chat if we have to. If not, we'll just do a video chat on Monday and just kind of check in, just make sure everybody's understood what that Desmos activity is. This one's modeling using trig functions. We haven't really done a whole lot with trig in here this year, so I figured we should definitely have some trig experiences, review some trig from your previous classes. So yeah, so you're going to work on that today and tomorrow. Desmos says it should take between 45 and 60 minutes, so I'm just going to plan on that being 2 days for you guys. So that's all. Hope you have a great day today. It looks like the weather's gonna be great the next few days, so hopefully you can get outside and soak up some sun. Yeah, so we'll talk soon. See ya.